Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. It's Antonia. I figured I would make an intro to the vlog because I lost my introduction from last week. I don't know where those clips went. So I'm going to insert some clips that I filmed last week here. Okay, I changed. Lauren's in the background. I'm watching her unboxing. I have the boyfriend crew on, and then this, like, I think these were like the boyfriend sweatpants from TNA in the color Lavish Lavender from last year. And then I kept my jewelry on because I was really feeling the stack. And then yeah, the same jewelry. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then probably take Harley out on a walk. I wanted to quickly show you guys. I went to Louis Vuitton to buy my inserts for my agenda because I use the PM size agenda, and they literally wrapped it in a box. So now I have another box and a bag for no reason. I didn't actually ask them to do this, but they did it anyways. This was like a thrill. So I'm gonna cut these tags off and wear my PP bag because I also want to mention that I broke my clay. I think I've been really rough with it, and it just started to, right here you can see it kind of chipped, so I think it needs to be reglazed. I'm gonna bring it into Louis Vuitton and see if they'll do that for me, but yeah, it needs to be reglazed. And unfortunately I didn't notice that until after I bought this. So back to present day. Right now I am procrastinating and my speech is very strange. I don't know why, like I'm having trouble talking today. I wanted to talk about what I did yesterday because I filmed my whole experience there. I went to Go Place with my friend. It was her birthday. Me and another friend, we chipped in and we decided to celebrate her since it was her birthday recently, and we went to Go Place. Now we picked Go Place because it was like, I thought what it was like there were many like hot spring pools, kind of like more like an onsen. This is more like an Asian style like spa experience. So this was not something that I've typically gone to. I've been to 2 spas, and I've been to Elmwood downtown, and I've been to St. Anne's in Grafton, and both those experiences, they were great, especially St. Anne's. Like I loved that experience so much, but I decided to pick something new, so we went to Go Place since I've never been there, and then she's never been to a spa either, so I thought it would be nice. I was surprised because first off, the spa is beautiful, the service is wonderful, everyone is so nice and friendly, but my one qualm was the jacuzzi pool. It was just, there's only like a male or female, like they're not communal, they're in the locker rooms for male or female, and I thought the jacuzzi pool was very small. There were 2 sides. One was just like a regular jacuzzi pool, and the other side was like kind of like a water spraying massaging pool. That pool, if people were like spraying themselves on their back, it was just like splashing all over the place, and it was so loud. In the common areas there was like the heat rooms though, so there's like salt rooms and like different rooms. I'm gonna insert footage so you guys can see after I kind of explain my experience, but overall, the one thing that annoyed me the most about this place was the scent. I'm very sensitive to scents, and I really dislike floral scents, so this is probably just like a me problem, but I just felt like it was very heavily scented. In my past experiences going to different spas, I just felt like the smell was very dimmed down, and it was more or less earthy smells, which I personally don't mind. But when I just smell roses or like floral scents the entire time, and I was there from like 11:30 till probably like closer to 4:30. So when I'm spending that much time in a facility, I think it would be a bigger improvement if they kept the scent in there maybe more like neutral and mild. But the moment you step into the place, it smells like roses. They use L'Occitane products, and I think like in combination of everyone using like the hair products and everything, it just like made the whole place smell like roses. It thankfully didn't give me a headache, but honestly I was not that pleased with the smell. And then a lot of times I just kept wearing my mask to mask the smell of the roses. That was my biggest qualm and issue of the place. It also got extremely busy because Go Place is located in First Markham Place, and if you guys are like locals or you know about First Markham Place, you know that that little like plaza is so busy all the time. And when I got there early, it wasn't so bad. So I was really glad I got there at 11:30. At like 12:30, we probably went into the jacuzzi pool. So it wasn't that busy, but the time that I left came so incredibly busy, and I was really glad to kind of get out of there. Like, everyone is vaccinated in that facility, but it was just so crowded that you really, all the salt rooms were taken up, half of like the lounging chairs were taken up, the food court, like dining area was so busy. So I just felt like really overwhelmed in there. But overall, I think my experience there would be a 5 out of 10. I can see the appeal and why my friend likes going there on a weekly basis, the one that recommended it to me, but I personally just think you can find a more zen and relaxing experience elsewhere as well, and maybe something that is about the same price, because admission into the place is about $60 something. With tax and tip, it becomes like $80 something, and all your other, I guess, treatments cost additional, which is fine. I don't mind paying stuff like that, especially if you go to like Elmwood as well. You have to, like, anywhere you go, you're paying like a day admission, or you're paying an admission fee, and then you pay for services on top of that just to use the facility. But I just felt like the facility wasn't as nice as I thought it could have been. Maybe it was just not my style. I don't want to discourage you from going there. I think it's a great experience and a good place to go at least once, but personally for me, I would not return. I don't think it's like my favorite at all. And my friend thoroughly enjoyed it. She loved it so much. She thought it was great, but I personally thought it was not the best one. But anyways, that's just my 2 cents. But here, let's go roll the clips. My bathing suit under and a Diet Coke. So there's these like hot rooms. You see these huts? They're like hot rooms. They're all different temperatures. My friend's in there. I don't like it, so I'm just chilling here on the thing. This is like one of the main common areas. So there's another one in there. Oh, I need some water. I'm gonna get some. So there's the gym, and then there's shoes. So you don't have to bring gym shoes. They like could give you some. But I bought these slippers for $3 because if you don't buy slippers, I don't know why the video quality is so bad looking right now. Okay, I think video quality is better now. So there's these like tree decorations, very Asian. And then up there you can get your treatments, massage, facial, stuff like that. There's a change room on that side for men and women. The jacuzzi is separated, so there's no like communal jacuzzi. And honestly, it wasn't that great because it was like 2 and then 1 splashed you like crazy. I can't show you because there's no video recording there, but I can bring my phone out here. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend. I'm drinking some water to keep hydrated. The rooms make me really hot and itchy because I have eczema, so I was not into that. But yeah, I'm here. So up there's treatments, and then there's like therapy room here. Oh, there's more secluded areas. Everyone's in the red light. I wanted to go there too. And there's like a computer room. And then the dining is over there. Let me show you. Oh, there's board games. I didn't know that. So the dining was over there. Oh, what's this room? I never went in here. Seems like there's like another room there. Anyways, let me take you back out. It's a cool place to just lounge. So this area goes to the lockers, and then men's and women's is separated. I can't film anymore once I enter the locker because people could be naked, so, you know. But here we are. Look, Dyson here. Look, Dyson. So when you check in, they give you a bracelet. It matches to a locker. You press it, and it opens. I already put my stuff in there. To close it, you just close it, and then it locks. Okay. So I exited the locker. Then we go out to this common area. There's water everywhere, which is really nice. Then up there is the cleaning room. These are like hot. Like it gets hotter and hotter. That one's 64. There's an 82. Then there's an ice room. Aw, someone took my spot I was sitting at. I think you have to pay to use the massage chairs. And then I showed you guys in there. Okay, I decided to sit over here away from everyone. It's just me, and there's like 2 other people, but I'm just away from everyone. Okay, we left. We're at Cafe Bonbon now. That is a massive sandwichy. And I'm having a latte, and I'm waiting for my tuna. My favorite tuna.